today's video, I'll show you how you can make $1.37 every 1 minute, which means that in a full hour you get $82.20. And if you put some effort, at least 5 hours a day, you can make up to $411 a day. Also, I'm offering in this video a free cheat sheet of 7 ways you can make money online. I'll leave the link in the description. First step, you come to Google Translate. And for that, you just type Google Translate here on the search bar. It should be the first links showing up here. I believe you know how Google Translate works, but if not, you just simply have to choose a primary language and you will translate any words to a second language. This will be one of the main tools we're gonna be using. The next one, we have to head over to CPA Grip. That's right here on the search bar for CPA Grip. Should be the first link showing up at the description as well. So just click it. This website you can use as a monetization tool. It has variety of strategies like content locker, URL file, video locker, offer wall. The way you get paid from this is through call per action. You just need people to get to your offer so they can take action and you get your money. I'll be creating a new account with you guys so you can follow step by step. You come here to register. Here is really simple. The only required fields here are the ones with the red star. So you're gonna type in your first name, your last name, company and website. You don't need this. Street name. For countries, you can do this from anywhere in the world. They have various forms of paying like PayPal, Pioneer, so don't worry. Here, if you don't have a Skype account, you can type anything, it doesn't matter. But this part here on top, you're gonna choose website instant. After you filled out everything, you just agree to the terms and register now. Here on the dashboard, you're gonna be able to see an active chat and you can see also how much people are earning. Like this guy here already made almost $2,000. This other guy today made $46, and you can check the other ones out. But there are 2 things that you should check before you start. The first one, you have to set up your payment method. So if you come to payment center, here you can take a look on the right. You can choose from all these forms to get paid, so it doesn't matter if you live in the US or outside the US. Before we go to the second, if you don't want to miss new ways to make money online, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. I'll be posting out videos every Wednesday and Friday. Now let's go to account settings. The only thing you have to do here is to fill out your tax information so later on you have no problems on getting paid. If you live outside the US, you're just gonna fill out this file W8. And if you live in the US, you just fill out the W9 form. And that's pretty much all. After you are all set up, come to offers tools. And then you click my offers. Once you're here, if the country here is showing up US, you have to change it for European with high paying offers. This is why Google Translate will come in handy later on. And the reason why we're gonna choose European countries is because the US market is already very crowded and it's harder to get customers to come to your ads. You can check here on the list. I already know the best countries here, so in my case for right now I'm choosing Italy. For categories here, you're gonna choose email, zip, submit, and if you go all the way to the right here, you choose mobile. Today people use more their phones than the desktop. Because of that, you want to get your ads run only on mobiles. Now here you can see we are only seeing mobile only, and remember, try to get the ones that say mobile all. Don't just get a Droid or iOS, because you will get more chances of people clicking on your ad. Also, if you look here, you can see how much you're gonna get paid for submission. I will be choosing this first one here, but before you click it, what you need here is your affiliate link, and I'll show you how you can get it. So if you go all the way to the top, you can see here affiliate. So you're gonna copy only the numbers part and copy for now. You can save it on a note. After this, you can come and click on the link. Now what you want to do here, you see the whole link, you want to paste your affiliate number link in front of this. After this, you just press copy and you save this link. You can put it on Google Docs or you can paste it on your notes and keep it safe for now. But before we continue, this link is for mobile only, so it means it will not open on desktop. If you try to see the link on a desktop, you might not be able, but that doesn't mean it's not working. It's for mobile only. After you promote it, people gonna see these offers on the phone just fine. From the picture here, I already can see what is about this ad, but if you're not sure, you can just copy the whole name here and paste it on Google Translate. After translator, you can see here that is about pasta and sauce, so they are doing a giveaway of a pasta and sauce. Coming back to CPA, as you can see here, the payout offer, every person that submits their information, you get paid $1.37. But there's one problem here, the link is too long. So now what we have to do, we have to shorten this link. So you copy this and we're gonna head over to Bitly. If you don't have an account here, you can make an account really quick. It's really simple. Just put your basic information, and after that you just put a create new, and then you create a new link, and you should get to this part. And for destination, this is where you're gonna paste the link. And for custom back half, here you want to put the name of the product you're gonna be promoting. So if you head over to CPA, in my case, I'll be using just this name here, pasta and sugo. And we come back to the Bitly, and here on back half is where you paste the name. It might not work just the name, so sometimes you gotta put a number in front. Already gonna put number 5 and then press enter. Now your shortened link has been generated, so you copy and again you put it on somewhere safe, your notes, you can put on Google Docs or whatever you think is better for you. Now that we have our generated link, we're gonna head over to a website called Traffic Ad Bar. On this part here, you're gonna paste your shortened link that we just generated and add a website. So now here we have to generate our ad. So you can see you have to put a title, and then we're gonna put an ad line. So let's go back to CPA again. Here on CPA, as you can see, I'm gonna copy this and paste it on Google Translate to know what it's about. After translator, so it's basically receive free sample. So this is a good title. I'm gonna copy this and paste to the title of the ad. Now we have to add at least a one line here. We're gonna go back to Google Translate. So I have written this in English, have a chance to win a free pasta and sauce. So it translated to Italian. I'll copy this and I'm gonna paste it again on my ad. Now that I added my first line, you have the option here to add a line too. In my case, I don't think it's necessary. You come down here and you gotta choose the language of your content. So in my case, it's Italian. And then if you come down here, all countries, so you choose the country from the ad that you're gonna run. So in my case, it's Italy, because my ad is Italian and I want only Italian people to see the ad. After this, you come all the way down and you just save it and it's done. This website promises people to get 1,000 views for each ad. And don't forget guys, if you want more ways to earn money online, I'm offering a free cheat sheet that I'll be leaving down here in the description. And you can also check out my latest video. See ya.